Hey guys. What we're doing right now is the herb garden with Aya. And let's see if she even finds this interesting. We'll see how this goes. But we're also cooking out. We're also cooking out. And we got the sprinklers out for the kids. And Aaron bought them a new basketball hoop. We got that out there for the kids. So we just having like a little regular summer vibe for us. We be outside with it. In our backyard outside. Come get him. I don't want him to fall on that concrete.
I need to get something for him anyway.
So guys, these are the seeds that we're using. These are heirloom seeds, non-GMO and high germination. Aya, what you doing? You want to come plant some seeds? Come on. Yeah, the seeds. All right, look. These are the ones we're going to do. Yes. Let's do this basil in the middle. Okay. Yes. So the first thing we got to do is get some soil. I'm going to give you some, okay? We did rosemary, we did cilantro.
Yay!
Now let's do
Okay, why?
I meant rosemary and basil. Now let's do cilantro. Okay. Here, Aya. Here. Can you pour that in here? Yep. Yep. Good job. More.
Please, see? What?
Here.
See?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I see it. Oh, good job.
Good job, Aya.
What?
He watching you, girl.
Oh,
Good job. Now, are we making sure? Let's pat it down. Let's pat it down. Like this.
Oh.
Yeah. Good job. Let's do one more, and then we're going to put the seeds in. Here. Can you put it in? Huh? Good job, Aya. Pat it down. Let's pat it down. Good job. Good job. All right. No, we don't need no more. Let's put the seeds though. Hold on. I'm gonna give them to you.
How?
Okay. Put it in. Put it in. Good job. One more. Good job, Aya toes. Good job, Aya toes. Okay. Now we get to do the fun part. Fun part.
Yay!
Yay!
Fun part.
Fun part. We're about to go water our plants. Yeah. Come on, let's go get some water. Okay.
Did your grandmother have you next to her when she looking outside?
Yeah. Okay, Aya. We really should have a pot, flowering or watering pot. And we have one, but I don't know where it's at. And I also didn't know where our scoop was, so excuse our materials. Okay. You gotta spread, pour it in here real slow. Let me help. Slow, 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 slow. And you gotta tell it how much you love it. Say, I love you.
Hey.
Good job.
What?
Okay. You can do just a little bit more. Here.
Wow.
Okay, okay. Say love you.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, now let's do this one. Spread it? Oh, okay, okay. Oh. You gotta go slower, babe. It's still too much, but slow, slow. We're gonna keep coming out here to check on it, okay? And it's gonna grow. Yeah, it's gonna grow big and then we're gonna eat it. Yeah. The chicken is ready.
It's so colorful. Everywhere, they're everywhere.
Go eat.